Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here, back for another video, kicking off the 2024 season. This is my first video of the year, and I have a lot more coming this year, probably more than ever before. So, in this video, I just wanted to talk about Exitus Elite, why I joined Exitus Elite. I joined almost 2 years ago. I love it, Exitus Elite, because it's an all-around great opportunity. And I know there are some people out there that have been in affiliate marketing before, and they've been in bad businesses, and there's probably a checklist that they look for when joining new opportunities. Here's my checklist. My number one checklist is the owner has to be committed to his business. I have been in many opportunities where the owners of different businesses, they made stupid decisions and they just ended up driving the business into the ground. And just as I start getting traction and I start really getting far in the business, all of a sudden it fails or it's shut down or whatever. So in Exitus Elite, we have Paul Stevenson. He's a fantastic owner. Every week we have webinars hosted by him where he updates us on all the new updates that are coming to the platform. And he's been running this business successfully for 10 years, and he's still updating everything. Now, in Exitus Elite, the products that we sell are all educational. They teach you mindset training. They teach you different ways of getting out there, of marketing your Exitus Elite business or any other business. So he's always updating all of everything about the business, even the products themselves. Now, he said it's been a while since he has been updating, but because of all the things that are going on behind the scenes, he told us in a couple webinars, the last webinar, that he is going to be making some updates to even the educational products. So everything about Exitus Elite is fantastic. The next thing on the check mark list is it has to have a good compensation plan. Exitus Elite, we can make between $100 to $2,000 instant commissions, and you can use different payment processors like PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe, whatever it is that you want to use, and we get paid the day that the person makes the sale. So that's another thing I look for. Another thing is longevity. Longevity, because I've been in businesses where after a year it's failed, and I wanted something that's proven itself. Now, what is it? Exitus Elite. I almost said something else. Exitus Elite has been running for 10 years now. This year it turns 10 years old, and it's just been running for so many years that I have more faith in it than I would another different opportunity. So basically, Exitus Elite has been running for 10 years successfully, and we have a great owner who actually cares about the business and its future. So I absolutely love Exitus Elite, and I'm not going anywhere. Exitus Elite is my home for the foreseeable future. I have no reason to want to quit Exitus Elite because we have so many great aspects to this business. We have a great compensation plan. We have the chance to make life-changing income. A new update that came last year was the call center. We have a call center that can close sales for you. I try to always close my own sales, but it's good to know it's there. So if, like, say I'm on vacation, someone comes through one of my pages, they can call the call center to get their questions answered. And if they can make the sale for you, you get an 80% commission. Yes, in Exitus Elite, we make 100% commissions. That's if you close the sale yourself. If the call center does it, you get an 80% commission. And then 20% of the commission will go to the person that did the work. Now, that's still incredible. An 80% commission. So if someone comes through my pages and they call the call center and they make the sale for me at the, let's say, the G1000 product sale that I came in at. Now, at the G1000, you can make $1,000 commissions. So if they make a sale for me at the G1000, I get $800 of that commission, and then once it clears in my bank account, I will send them the 20% commission. So $800 goes to me, and $200 goes towards the person who did all the work for me. So that's pretty good considering I did no work. I still make $800 for doing no work. Now, originally, Paul Stevenson was going to make it a 50-50 split. So I would get 500. The person that did all the work for me would get 500. So, but because Paul Stevenson wants us all to succeed, and he's always trying to find new ways to help us to be able to make that money, he decided, no, I'm not going to make it a 50-50 split. I'm going to make it an 80-20 split. And he told us this on the webinar. He had some slides up there, and he said, originally this was what I was going to do, but I decided I want you guys to make as much money as possible, so I'm going to go with the 80-20 split. So I get 80% commission for not doing any work. So that's what I'm talking about with Exitus Lead. Now, like I said, Exitus Lead is my home. I'm not going anywhere. I love Exitus Lead, and I just think it's a fantastic. Even 2 years later, I still love this business. And because I put in all the work I did on my channel last year, I'm starting to get some traffic to some of my older videos. So I'm just putting some new videos out there because I want to keep the momentum going. Like anything in life, guys, if you're not willing to put in the work, then you're going to fail. And I don't say that to scare you off. In all my videos, I am honest and transparent. I consider it work, yes, but it's fun work to me. I like making videos, and I highly suggest that when you get started, that you make videos too. But that's just the way I get out to people. So whatever it is that you're gonna do, whether it's Exitus Lead or you're going after another dream or goal, this channel that's what I created this channel for you to not give up on your dreams and to keep pursuing everything. Because just because you don't see results right away in whatever it is that you're doing, online business, another dream or goal, doesn't mean you're not going to succeed. Having a positive mindset helps you to be able to do that. It won't, but also hard work, dedication, and consistency is what's going to make you succeed in anything that you're going after. So that's all I'm going to say in this video. I absolutely am excited for 2024, and I hope to see all of you in the near future watching my videos, because I also put up motivational stuff as well. Usually those are in my short videos, but I'm also going to do some long form videos too on motivation as well. So don't give up on your dreams and goals. Keep working hard and never quit. That's my philosophy. You work hard, never quit. Eventually, you're going to find the success. But one thing is you got to get over all your hang-ups, all the things that are holding you back. Fear is one of them. Worrying about what other people think, that's another one. And just being lazy and not putting in the work. Those things are going to definitely make you fail. So if I can overcome my fear of making videos, then you can too. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.